This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into both accounts so you control each connection. This prevents accidental lockouts. Open the Instagram app or web because the unlink option lives in settings. Once signed in, make sure you know which Facebook profile or page is currently linked, since you will sever that specific tie. Keep two-step verification codes handy if either account has extra security, so you can confirm identity quickly and avoid interruptions during the disconnect. Navigate to Settings, then Account Center, and choose Accounts and Profiles to find the linked Facebook account or page. This is where Instagram manages cross-account sharing. Tap the specific Facebook profile or page, then select Remove Account or Unlink. Instagram asks to confirm because this stops auto-sharing of posts, stories, and login sync. Make sure you review which permissions are being revoked, because once removed, features like cross-posting and unified login will no longer. After removal, log out and back into both Instagram and Facebook so the change propagates across devices. This clears cached links. If posts still auto-share, open Facebook settings, go to apps and websites, and revoke Instagram's permissions. Sometimes the permission survives the unlink. If you can't log back in or find accounts merged, use account recovery flows and verify identity with 2FA codes. One tip: wait a few minutes between steps, then retry, because server sync can be delayed and cause apparent failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.